Tuscarora risk. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Guernsey County in east central Ohio, northeastern Muskingum County in east central Ohio, southeastern Coshocton County in east central Ohio, south central Tuscarawas County in east central Ohio, until 7:45 p.m. At 7:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northwest of New Concord, or 10 miles northeast of Zanesville, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Cambridge, Newcomerstown, New Concord, Bosville, North Zanesville, Dresden, Antrim, Philo, Port Washington, Pleasant Grove, Old Washington, Plainfield, Norwich, Chandlersville, Drake, Otsego, Bridgeville, Duncan Falls, Bowdoin and Birmingham. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 157 and 193. Interstate 77 in Ohio between mile markers 42 and 67. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.